Did you know that WhatsApp, the messaging app owned by Meta, is quietly revolutionizing how businesses communicate and driving billions in revenue? Ever wondered how a simple app can become a global communication powerhouse? This video will focus on WhatsApp's journey, revenue strategies, and its impact on the future of business messaging. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more insights on tech and business trends. The digital age has ushered in an era of unprecedented connectivity. And at the heart of this revolution stands WhatsApp. With over 5.3 billion internet users worldwide, the messaging platform has emerged as a cornerstone of modern communication. Owned by Meta, WhatsApp boasts a user base rivaling even Facebook, with more than half of the world's internet users engaging in the platform. The significance of this app cannot be overstated, as it facilitates the exchange of over 100 billion messages daily. From India to Indonesia, from Brazil, WhatsApp's global ubiquity is evident. Despite its seemingly effortless integration into our lives, its absence would be palpably felt. Yet, this widespread adoption isn't uniform, as the app's role diverges in the United States. Although nearly a third of the US population uses WhatsApp, it isn't their primary messaging platform. However, its revenue, estimated between $500 million and $1 billion, pales in comparison to Meta's overall $117 billion in annual revenue. Distinct from its counterparts like Facebook and Instagram, WhatsApp primarily generates revenue through business messaging, a paradigm it entered in 2018. With a projected market value of $50 billion in a few years, WhatsApp is poised to capitalize on this burgeoning sector. History of WhatsApp. WhatsApp's inception in 2009 by former Yahoo employees Brian Acton and Jan Koum was marked by a vision to display user statuses alongside contact names, hence the name WhatsApp. However, it quickly became evident that the platform's true potential lay in messaging, prompting a pivot towards developing a comprehensive messaging service. This shift coincided with the dearth of free texting services globally, particularly in regions where unlimited texting plans weren't as prevalent as in the US. The platform's international popularity surged due to its free texting and Wi-Fi enabled international calling, establishing its foothold as a global communication hub. By 2014, Facebook's monumental $19 billion acquisition of WhatsApp solidified its potential as a communication giant, resulting in exponential growth from 200 million users to a staggering 2 billion in a span of a few years. Enhanced security through end-to-end encryption in 2016 heightened its appeal, although its departure of Acton and Koum in 2017 and 2018 due to privacy policy changes signaled challenges. The pandemic-induced lockdowns spurred further adoption, with WhatsApp remaining a constant during turbulent times. New features, such as channels and payment capabilities, reflect the platform's evolution and future prospects. Monetization strategies. In contrast to traditional social media platforms, WhatsApp's revenue hinges primarily on its business messaging capabilities, with emphasis on markets like India, Brazil, and Indonesia. Businesses pay to interact with customers on the platform, a departure from Meta's ad-centric models. WhatsApp charges vary by conversation type and country. Enterprises are billed for marketing, authentication, utility, and customer service conversations. Currently, the major of business messaging expenditure favors standard SMS messaging. However, WhatsApp aims to shift this balance by offering a more immersive and flexible experience. The platform's global reach positions it as a prime choice for businesses seeking to engage with customers, particularly in regions where WhatsApp's prevalence is established. Projected business messaging revenues of $7 to $10 billion within 5-6 years surpassed the current estimate of $500 million to $1 billion. Expanding revenue streams. WhatsApp's ambitions extend beyond business messaging, encompassing small business monetization through the WhatsApp Business app. Offering premium features empowers businesses to enhance their online presence. The user base for WhatsApp Business app surged from 50 million in 2020 to 200 million monthly active users in 2023. By embracing premium offerings and bolstering business-oriented functionalities, WhatsApp aims to create value for businesses of all sizes, driving revenue growth. Integration with Meta platforms enables WhatsApp users to interact with businesses across the ecosystem seamlessly. The provision for businesses to interact through WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook fosters a holistic and integrated approach to customer engagement. The future outlook. As Meta ventures into ambitious pursuits like the metaverse, WhatsApp's growth through immediate opportunities like business messaging offers a stabilizing factor. Despite regional competition, WhatsApp's global reach remains unparalleled. Meta's strategic push to integrate WhatsApp into businesses' communication strategies, combined with the app's intuitive usability and broad appeal, positions it for substantial revenue expansion. As WhatsApp's user base continues to swell, its potential as a revenue driver for Meta becomes increasingly evident. Projections of 4.1 billion WhatsApp users by 2027 suggest a future characterized by billion-dollar revenues, solidifying its status within the Meta ecosystem. WhatsApp's journey from a simple status-sharing platform to a global messaging phenomenon under Meta's guidance epitomizes growth, innovation, and strategic adaptation. Its unique standing in messaging landscape, driven by user-friendly features, international appeal, and the thriving business messaging model, sets the stage for significant revenue expansion. As Meta navigates the evolving digital landscape with grand ambitions like the metaverse, WhatsApp emerges as a beacon of immediate growth opportunities. As the user base continues to surge, WhatsApp's evolution into a revenue generator for Meta is becoming increasingly evident. By 2027, the projected 4.1 billion users could catalyze a new era of billion-dollar revenues, firmly establishing WhatsApp's place within the Meta ecosystem. In a landscape marked by change, WhatsApp's resounding success serves as a testament to the power of innovation and adaptation. What are your thoughts on the role of WhatsApp in the future of business communication? Drop your comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And if you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share with others, and subscribe to our channel for more eye-opening content like this. Thank you for watching.